In this video, we learn how to do percentage problems involving appreciation and depreciation. A 77 calorie egg provides 3.85% of a woman's recommended daily intake. Calculate this value. So we're told this represents 3.85%, so we start by writing that down. So that's 77 calories. And then we divide both numbers by 3.85 to get 1%. So 1% would be 20 calories. And then we multiply by 100 to get 100%. So 100% is 2,000 calories. So in other words, a woman's recommended daily intake is 2,000 calories. Fiona uses 15% of her bank balance to buy a £540 watch. How much was in her bank account? So we know that 15% is 540. And then we divide both numbers by 15 to get 1%. So 1% is 36. And then we just multiply by 100 to get 100%. So 100% is 300. 540 over 15. Yep, so 100% would be £3,600. So that would be the original amount in her bank account. An investment has increased in value by 16%. It is now worth £2,726. Find its original value. So this time we're told the original value has increased by 16% to become this value. And since the original value is always 100%, that means that this represents 116%. So that's why it's important to read the question carefully, because these questions are often worded differently. So sometimes it's just this value would be the percentage that corresponds to the given value. And sometimes there would be an increase or a decrease that you have to take account of. So we just proceed as usual. So we divide by 116. So that would be £23.50. So that means 100% is 2,350. A shop increases the price of an item by 2.5% to £49.20. Calculate its original price. So this is another increase question. So this represents 102.5%. And then we just proceed as usual. So that would be 48 pence. And then the original price is £48. A washing machine is priced at £368 in a 20% sale. Calculate its price before the sale. So this time we're told the price has decreased by 20% to become this value. So since the original price is 100%, that means that this represents 80%. So 80% is £368. And then we just proceed as usual. So that would be £4.60. And then 100% is 460. Yearly visits to a tourist attraction fall 2.4% to 84,424. How many visits were there previously? So this is again a decrease question. So we just do 100 minus 2.4 to get the percentage for this value. So that would be 97.6%. So 1% is 865. And then 100% would just be 86,500. A child's car seat costs £66.99, including VAT of 5%. Calculate the price exclusive of VAT. So if the original price is 100%, and then with VAT, with a VAT of 5%, it's £66.99. That means that this represents 105%. So in other words, the value we're trying to find is always 100%. And then we just apply the increase or decrease that we're given to get the percentage for this value. So that's 105%. So that would be 0.638. And then 100% would just be £63.80. A town's population declines over time by 4% to 50,328. Calculate the previous population. So this would be 96%. So 1% would be 524.25. And then 100% would be 52,425. Ross saves £315 each month, which is 17.5% of his monthly salary. Find his monthly salary. Okay, let's see. So when he saves 315, okay, so this represents 17.5% of his monthly salary. So 17.5 is £315. and then we just proceed as usual. That's why it's important to read the question, because they're always going to be worded slightly differently, and then you have to determine which method to use at the beginning. So that's £18, and then 100% is just £1,800.